Hello and welcome to another video where I'm going to be showing you how to teleport in Soulframe. So to teleport in Soulframe, first you need to discover the locations. If you didn't discover the locations that you need to teleport to, I'm going to be linking on the top right a card to another video where I'm going to show you how to reveal the whole map of Midrath. Once you unlock the locations, and you have all the NPCs in your mind space, you're gonna be having some seeds popping here every day on this tree. You see, in between your crafting bench and your brewing pot. You need to catch them with F to grab them every day, and then once you do that, you're gonna have them available when you press M on your bottom left. Here you can see that I have 8 seats, and the only thing that I have to do is clicking either on my faction cave, where I can also teleport, hence it has the seed logo, or it can be also any of the trees of the map. You just hold your left click on the tree, go through this animation, and you're gonna teleport. Something to note is that if you have friends playing with you, any of you can use or spend a seed to teleport, and it's gonna bring you all into the new location. So it's really good also if you are running out of the seeds to ask some friends to take you for a taxi ride. If you found any of this helpful, please consider leaving a silly comment for the algorithm below, and consider also subscribing. It really helps me out. See you until next time.